Once upon a time, there was a king named Midas. Now, Midas, more than anything, loved gold. He would spend his days, his afternoons, his evenings trying to get as much gold as possible. Midas also had a daughter. She would ask her dad for time, but Midas didn't care about that. All Midas cared about was his gold. One day, when Midas was sleeping, he had a dream. And in that dream, he learned that everything he touched would turn to gold. He was giddy with excitement, and when he woke up, he was interested to see if he could still do it. So he went and touched the doorknob, and when he did, the doorknob turned into gold. He said, "Oh, daughter, look at what I've gotten for you, golden flowers." The daughter didn't want the golden flowers. She wanted her regular flowers. She said, "Dad, what have you done?" And he says, "Well, everything I touch turns to gold." Now the daughter got sad and angry, and she started to go away. And while she was going away, the dad, King Midas, grabbed his daughter, and when he did, even she turned into gold. Midas fell onto his knees, and he said, "No! I want my daughter back. I don't need this gold. All I need is my family." And as he realized this, that dream came again and removed the Midas touch and gave him his daughter back. And he learned an important lesson. Too much of anything isn't so good. As Muslims, if we see somebody being made fun of, for example, at school, at the masjid, or anywhere else, it's our job to speak up and say, "Hey, cut it out. That's not cool," okay? That is our job. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has blessed us with a lot, including our work, our belongings, our toys. If we throw them this way and that, it doesn't show that we appreciate them. If we take care of them, it shows that we appreciate them. If we want to be strong, confident Muslims, one of the big things that we have to control is what we eat. We have to eat healthy. We have to eat nutritious food. If we eat garbage, it's going to impact us as well. Prophet Ayyub alayhi salam was the one who went through difficulties, right? It was his wealth, it was his children, it was his own health. And still he said, "Ya Allah, I have been afflicted with difficulty, but still I am thankful." And so the key thing that we learned was even when we go through difficulty, we should always count our blessings. What is the best halal candy in the world?
Today, Amin and I are trying 14 different candies to find out which is the best.
We're actually going to be ranking them, both Hassan and I, on 3 important dimensions. Taste, for texture, and uniqueness. Let's do it. All right, so the first thing is Skittles. All right, so Skittles. Taste the rainbow. It's good. It's so good. Now this one is the Skittles Wild Berry.
Wild berry. So this has no citrus flavors in it.
Okay, ready? The thing about marshmallows is, so this is Alibaba.
Blue raspberry.
This is La Helada.
No, that's the company. This is Banderizia.
This is a General Mills product. Clava from Holy Land in Minnesota.
This is a candy called Flake by Cadbury. Oh my goodness. This is not the extreme sourful, but this is my second favorite candy.
All right, so this
Looks beautiful.
It looks like a bird's nest.
Yeah.
So I will say this, right? As we're about to eat these yummy, yummy candy gummy bears by Well Made. This is a Milka and Oreo, milk chocolate cream filled with Oreo biscuit pieces. So now's the moment we've all been waiting for. After trying all of these candy, we are now going to be rating them. Let's do it.
Nice. I didn't think they'd make it into the top 7.
I thought that they were a great candy. Are you serious?
6.
I actually thought that Skittles Red would be a little bit higher. So we have the blue ones at 7, the red ones at 5.
Oh, interesting. Wow.
Really? I'll be honest, for me, among the candies,
Yeah.
marshmallows were pretty close to the top. It is a good taste. Number 4, I like that. Okay? Really? A tie.
Really?
Okay, so should we do rock, paper, scissors? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh yeah, buddy. Oh yeah, buddy.
Okay.
One zip.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Got him. 1-1. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Got him! Got him! Baklava, let's go! During the month of Ramadan, we fast. And when we fast, we get hungry. And we literally taste what it feels like to have a fire in our tummy and dryness in our mouth and our lips being parched. And when we finally drink that water at the end of our fasting, we appreciate everything we have. And the truth is, one of the most special things we have is food. All of us love candy. All of us love sweets. And so on a day like this, as we do this, we think about giving thanks for our blessings. And the other thing we think about is Jannah. Because yes, even Hassan and I, as we ate 2, 3, 4, 5 of the sweets, we couldn't eat anymore. Visibly, I was like, I can't eat the whole thing. But someday, inshallah, when we have the opportunity to go to Jannah, there's actually no limit.